Hi. How are you? Huh? You, what you wearing? Little froggy PJs? Yes. You love the froggy PJs. You can't look at the picture yet. It's not done. Done. Say hello. There's nothing there to see yet. You gotta be in front of it, and then it takes your picture, and then you watch it later. You gonna dance for it? Who's the do? Who's the do? Who's the silly do-a-do? Who's the silly doodle-do? Who's the silly do? What you doing? You're gonna jump right on your little lion. You're gonna dance for us? Dance and sing. Do-a-do-a-doodle-do, do-do-do-doodle-do, silly little doodle-do, do-do-do-do-do, a diddly-do-do-do. She needs her audience.
I'm watching, Olivia. What are you doing? You been dancing, little jig?
Little do, a silly little do-a-do. Who's a little bugaloo, a little bugaloo? What kind of dance is that?
The show off mean dance. J-U-N.
Who do you love? Huh?
Dad.
Who's on the phone? Who is it? Who's on the phone? Who is it? Who? Who is on the phone? Yeah?
A pluses, A minuses, B pluses, B minuses.
Who? Did you say Peggy?
These are all
Where's
grades
Peggy?
we had when I was in school. A is
She's
the
not
best
on
you could
there, huh?
do. And that was broken
Not on there,
down
not yet.
into anywhere between a 90
Huh?
and 100.
Who do you love?
Plus or an A, or you could have an A minus.
Olivia?
Depending on where you were. A 90
Who do you love?
plus 93 is like an A minus. A 95 is like an A plus.
Yeah.
95 is like an A minus. A 90 plus 93 is like an A minus. A 95 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 is like an A minus. A